Okay, welcome to example 3 of adding and subtracting polynomials. Today we're just looking at an example of a type of word problem that you might see involving polynomials and addition and subtraction. So we'll just go through it together. So the question says the cost in dollars to print n copies, okay, and I'm going to underline that, to print n copies of a book is 9n plus 1,000. So the cost to print it is 9n plus 1,000. Now, the cost in dollars to ship n copies is 2n plus 100. And the question A says, how much would it cost to print and ship n copies of the book? Okay? So we want to, how much would it cost to print and ship? Okay? Well, how much does it cost to print it? Well, the cost to print is 9n plus 1,000. Okay? And the cost to ship is equal to 2n plus 100. Okay? So, the total cost would be equal to the cost to print plus the cost to ship. Okay? So, that would be, equal to 9n plus 1,000, all plus 2n plus 100. 2n plus 100. Okay, and now we can just collect like terms. Alright, so if I'm looking at 9n and 2n, that's going to become 9n plus 2n, and then if I'm looking at the plus 1,000 and plus 100, that's going to become plus 1,000 plus 100. So that would all be equal to 11n plus $1,100. Okay? That'd be the total cost. Alright. Now B asks, how much would it cost to print and ship 1,000 copies of the book? Well, this is for n copies, so if we want to print 1,000 copies, okay, 1,000 copies, we're just going to substitute n with 1,000. So the total cost, C, equals to 11n plus 1,100. Now instead of n, we're going to replace it with 1,000. That would become 11 times 1,000 and then plus 1,100. Okay? So, well, 11 times 1,000 would be 11,000, and then plus 1,100, well, that would be equal to $12,100. Okay? So it would cost $12,100 to print and ship 1,000 copies of the book. Alright? And that's our lesson on adding and subtracting polynomials. Hope you enjoyed it.